Welcome. In this video I'd just like to tell you a little bit about what WordPress is. WordPress is free web-based software that you can use to create a beautiful website or blog. It is free and open source, and what this really means is that it has a wonderful community of developers and users who are constantly contributing to the software, and that's one of the reasons why it is so popular and it is so good. It was originally created as a blogging platform, but has now developed into a full-blown content management system, or CMS. It is web-based, as I mentioned before, so therefore it works on PC, Mac, Linux, and with the use of apps, you can actually use it on mobile devices such as your iPad, your iPhone, BlackBerry, or your Android devices. WordPress has become increasingly popular, and it currently powers over 60 million websites. It has thousands of extensions and themes, and this is what has really made WordPress so popular and so powerful, because there are so many different layouts and you can really create a beautiful website with the themes and the extensions, the plugins really make WordPress so nimble, and you can do pretty much anything with WordPress. It is available in two flavors at WordPress.com, which is a fully hosted version, but there are some limitations as to what you can use these sites for, and a lot of the features are premium features you would have to pay for. And additionally, there's the version available at WordPress.org, which is self-hosted, which you install on your hosting account or domain. And this is the version that we're going to focus on throughout this video course. So in the next set of videos, I'm going to take you through how you can install WordPress, create your site, edit your site, customize it. And the beautiful thing about WordPress is that you can do all of this in your browser and without having to edit any HTML. And this is why it really is so easy to use. So join me in the next set of videos as I show you how powerful WordPress is. In this video we are going to install WordPress from our control panel. So I'm just presuming that you've already gotten a hosting account with the control panel and you've registered your domain. So the first thing you want to do is go and look for software/services, and depending on your hosting account this may be slightly different. So here you'll see Softaculous, and a popular one is also Fantastico Deluxe, or you may see Auto Install. And if you don't see any of these, then you just want to contact your hosting provider and just find out exactly which auto installer they have. They'll basically pretty much work the same. So so I'm just going to go ahead and use Softaculous because that's the software that is available in this hosting account. And what you will do is you see a list of scripts, software that you can install using this auto installer, and WordPress is the first one, so I'm just going to go ahead and click install. And then you have a couple of options here, and the first thing you want to do is choose the location from which you're going to install WordPress. So you go through your domains, and in this case I'm going to install on wpvideocyclic.com, and the next thing is the directory in which you're going to install WordPress. Now if you leave this area blank, then it will install in the root of your domain. So in this case it would install at wpvideocyclic.com. But if you type something in this area such as news or blog, then it will install at wpvideocyclic.com / and blog, and that will be the location of your site. Now most of the other settings are pretty straightforward. So the next thing is you want to give your site a name. So in this case, I'm going to call it WP Video Sidekick. And one of the things I just like about Softaculous, and it's not available in all the other installers, is just the ability to customize this part. Of course, I give a site description, become a WP Pro. And really, the more unique you can make your installation is the safer your site will be. So the next thing we look at is the admin account, and by default it will say admin, and I advise that you change this because this is a serious security vulnerability. So you want to change that, and of course create a unique password. Now, because this is a demonstration video, I'm just going to leave it the username as admin and just create a password, because of course I'm not going to use this for any serious purposes, and you just want to add your email, and this will be used for communications from the site to you. So if there are updates, if there are comments to be approved on your site, then it will go to that email. So then we just click install, and this will happen pretty quickly, as you will find, and there you go. It's pretty much finished, and that's how quickly it works. And what has happened in the background is that all the technical stuff, the MySQL databases, the installing of WordPress, and you'll see that the location of your site is wpvideosidekick.com/blog, and the administrative URL is wpvideosidekick.com/blog wp-admin, and that is where you would go to log into the backend of your site. So just go and we're going to go and check out the site, and what you will see here is one of the default themes and just some content that has been created just so that your site isn't there and you can get a feel of what the site will look like. And of course there's a test post, there's a test page, and of course you will want to edit it, and this is what we are going to do in the next set of videos, and that is to customize our site.